Ladies and gentle hands. Good day, my name is Jared and welcome to Cool Beans TV. Today I'm doing something super special for all of you. Well, I really just woke up with that. Don't know. Anyway, moving on. I am combining two powerhouse dishes. Nachos, spicy Korean fried pork. Oh my word. This idea came to me about a week ago and I just had to give it a try. So I think we can do this. It's gonna be layery nachos. I got my nachos at the bottom. I got my spicy Korean fried pork with a mixture of cheese on top, and it's gonna be, oh, salivating just thinking about it. So without further ado, let's do this. Right in front of your eyeballs is 600 grams of thinly sliced pork belly. I bought just a piece and cut it myself, but if you're not confident in doing so, then kindly ask your neighbor or your butcher. First off, I've gochujang here, which is a spicy bean paste, soy sauce, and black pepper. We're going to start off by adding in 1.5 heaped tablespoons of gochujang, 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 2 teaspoons gochujang, which is a red chili spice, and we're going to mix it all up. Now add in 1.5 heaped teaspoons of sugar and a bit of black pepper. After it's all mixed, we're going to marinate our pork for about an hour in the fridge. Not sure why I'm slapping the marinade on here so aggressively, but anyway, let's slice up 2 green onions nice and thin for garnishing later on. I'll be using 2 types of cheese, a 50-50 mix of white cheddar and mozzarella, so get keen. I'm now basically making the same marinade, except I'm adding 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. This is going to be added halfway while cooking the pork to create a nice sauce. Let's get a pan on medium-high heat and add some neutral oil and start frying our pork. Lay it down like bacon and cook for about 10 minutes before adding your sauce. Cooking for another 5 to 10 minutes and remove from the heat. Now you're going to want to take that pork out and cut it up into small strips. Throw it back into your pan on your medium heat. Add your cheese mix on top. Now I just got some plain nachos here, lightly salted, nothing too exciting, but it just works with this. I don't want to complicate it with a lot of flavors. There's a lot of flavor nachos out there that would definitely work, but I just went with lightly salted. Put a lid on it and take it off the heat for a couple of minutes while the cheese melts. Now, serve it in front of someone who's sitting down, otherwise they will faint at this beautiful sight. If you've enjoyed this video, then show some love by liking, subscribing and commenting your deepest darkest secret. Thank you so much for watching.